So I was having a meeting with all my reportees, and one of my reporters was standing behind me says that हमें लड़कियों को hire नहीं करना चाहिए, वो लोग काम नहीं करते बराबर. And I said, hello, look around me. I am also your boss, and I am also a female. So that has been like 8 years back. So the shift is still there. They also still have that thinking, and it's not now. It's just that it has been for years. Subconscious mind में बोला जाता है कि male are the ones who are supposed to work. They are the ones who are supposed to do X, Y, Z things in terms of earning money, managing money. For that to change, it's going to take years. Yes, there is a movement, there is acceptance to that effect. But even if a male meeting happens and a female is sitting over there, the tone and the way they talk changes a lot. Because they know now they can't talk rubbish in simple words. They have to be very careful about what words do they use, because posh has been introduced now. So that has changed, but still, thoda to matlab, there is acceptance. There are female leaders today in the organizations. But yeah, sometimes we have also heard that it's very difficult to work with women.
तो रेजिस्टेंस क्या हुआ? आप वो फैक्टर्स क्या देंगे? मतलब what would you think are the factors के वो रेजिस्टेंस को?
It's subconscious way that we have been playing around. So for years and generations and decades of our lives, we have always said that men are the ones who are supposed to work. So पहले उन्होंने explore किया, they started working. They created their own way of working and everything. Okay. Slowly then we understood that female are not only supposed to take care of house, they can work as well. Now that shift itself required a mindset at both the ends. So while female mindset has to be changed, the male mindset also has to change. ये mindset change के लिए थोड़ा time लगेगा, because it's not now. Because we have been conditioned that ways for generations and generations.